Ever seen a $90,000 website like this? Yeah, I said 90,000. It's slick, it's fast, it's premium, but I had one thought. Can I rebuild this entire thing using just free tools? Google Stitch. No code, just grit and brain cells. Stitch lets you upload only one image, no edits. And this is the result. Not perfect, but 30% there. A $90,000 website, with free tools. Think I pulled it off? If this made you rethink what's possible with free tools, tap like, it helps more than you know. And if you've ever tried building something from nothing, tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear your story.